Most people pick crystals based on their sun sign, but here's why that's not enough. What if the reason your crystals aren't working is because you've been using the wrong ones for you? Most people pick crystals only based on their sun sign, but that's just scratching the surface. Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome back to the Mindful Souls channel. If you've ever felt like your crystals should be helping you out more, but they're just kind of sitting there, this video is for you. See, here's the thing. Your rising sign, or ascendant, affects your aura way more than your sun sign. It reflects how you interact with the world and shows the energy you actually give off. So if you want to work with crystals that really match your energy, you've got to check your rising sun. Today, we're going to walk you through which crystals match each rising sign so you can finally find the ones that feel made for you. Before we get going, if you're not sure what your rising sign is, comment, "Help me find it," below. I'll drop a free resource to help you figure it out. Without further ado, here's some rising signs and the crystals that match their vibe best. Aries Rising. Carnelian. First up, we have Aries Risings. They're bold, energetic, and always ready to jump into action. Carnelian fits this sign perfectly. It boosts their courage and motivation while keeping them grounded so they don't burn out or rush too fast. Taurus Rising. Green Aventurine. Taurus Risings are all about stability, practicality, and comfort. They enjoy surrounding themselves with beauty and seek a grounded life. Green Aventurine supports their peaceful nature and helps them stay emotionally secure. It's perfect for balancing out any excess stubbornness or attachment to materialism. Gemini Rising. Blue Kyanite. Social, curious, and quick thinking, Gemini Risings thrive on connection. Blue Kyanite is great for supporting clear communication and mental clarity. It enhances their ability to express their ideas while aligning their energies for harmonious connections with others. Cancer Rising. Moonstone. Cancer Risings feel everything deeply. They're intuitive, nurturing, and emotionally sensitive. Moonstone is a crystal that enhances their natural intuition and emotional understanding. And here's a bonus tip. Wearing moonstone as jewelry, like this glowing moon necklace, can help Cancer Risings balance out any emotional overwhelm. Leo Rising. Sunstone. Leo Risings are full of natural charisma, confidence, and creativity. They love being seen and admired, often radiating warmth and enthusiasm. Sunstone amplifies their joy and inner radiance, while keeping them rooted in self-worth, not just external validation. Virgo Rising. Fluorite. Next, we've got Virgo Risings. They're detail-oriented, organized, analytical, helpful, and they thrive in environments where things are neat and orderly. Fluorite is an excellent crystal for Virgo Risings because it helps them manage their tendency to overthink and overanalyze everything. It brings structure to their busy minds, making it easier to stay focused and calm. If you need a way to keep fluorite's energy with you all day long, this fluorite crystal elixir water bottle does a great job. Libra Rising. Rose Quartz. Libra Risings are all about balance, beauty, and harmony in their relationships. They are natural peacemakers and tend to be charming and sociable. Rose Quartz is the ultimate crystal for Libra Risings as it deepens self-love and emotional balance. It helps them create authentic, heart-centered connections. Scorpio Rising. Obsidian. They're super intense, magnetic, and deeply intuitive. They have a powerful presence and are drawn to uncovering hidden truths. Obsidian is the ideal crystal for Scorpio Risings. It protects and grounds their energy, clears emotional blockages, and helps them tap into their natural power with clarity and strength. Sagittarius Rising. Amethyst. Sagittarius Risings are adventurous in love exploration, both physically and mentally. Amethyst supports their quest for wisdom, offering clarity and peace, while helping them stay grounded during their journeys and providing spiritual insight. Capricorn Rising. Black Tourmaline. Capricorn Risings are disciplined, goal-oriented, and focused on success. Black Tourmaline shields them from negativity and provides grounding protection, helping them stay focused as they work toward their ambitions. Aquarius Rising. Aquamarine. Aquarius Risings are innovative and independent. Aquamarine enhances their intellectual clarity, creativity, and communication, helping them express unique ideas and fostering open-mindedness in their relationships. Pisces Rising. Labradorite. Pisces Risings are deeply spiritual, intuitive, and sensitive. Labradorite enhances their natural intuition and helps them connect with their higher self. It brings clarity to their dreams and spiritual insights, while also protecting their energy from negative influences, allowing them to stay grounded and aligned in their emotional and spiritual pursuits. Your sun sign might describe your personality, but your rising sign, that's your aura, and your crystals should always match that. Drop your rising sign in the comments below, and we'll guide you to the best products to match your perfect crystal. Oh, and if you're ready to start working with the right crystals for you, check out this newly launched Rising Sign Crystal Set. Links to all the products I've mentioned can be found in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more crystal wisdom tailored to you.